What's a key component of doing tax planning? Marginal tax brackets. If you are single, around the around the $103,000 mark, you're going to enter the 22% tax bracket. And that's going to happen up to $197,000, upon which you will then pass down into the 24%. But this is your bracket if you're at $103,000 or so. I'll put the actual brackets up on the screen. Meaning that for every single dollar you do or don't make in this bracket, you can assume 22% is going to be attached to it. So let's say we're at $105,000 of taxable income. If we make $5,000 more dollars, that next $5,000 is going to be taxed at 22%. If we were to make $2,000 less dollars, get down to that 103, you're going to save 22% on those amounts. And that's the really important part. So you need to being able to calculate where you're at in this marginal tax bracket. You can take that percentage and use it for that type of planning. Now, what is the difficult part of that? The trouble is we have taxable income. That's what we want to get to, the taxable part. Let me go ahead and finish writing that out so you can actually read it, right? The trouble is this number falls after many other numbers, including, let's say, your W-2 income, your business income. Then you have to factor in, standard and itemized deductions and stuff like the QBI deduction, so on and so forth. Point being, there's a lot it takes to get to your taxable income, but when you can forecast that taxable income in any meaningfully accurate way, this is what you can start to do. You can start to really make these types of targeted decisions in your taxes and your finances, and really these things all work together, right? If you know you can make these purchases, you can start spending money, investing money in your business per se, in a very targeted fashion where you know exactly how much money you're going to save, and therefore you can start to use that understanding to then invest that money further or develop an understanding for how you want to invest it down the line. You have a lot of power when you can get to the taxable income and be able to find your marginal tax bracket. It takes a lot of work to get there, but that's how you can start to make these powerful decisions.